Discover the world of camping with ZEMPIRE, one of New Zealand's leading outdoor gear brands. You won't believe it when their 4-person Prot TMV2 tent sets up in less than 2 minutes, a true marvel. And there's more. The Pro 3 V2 tent can accommodate up to 8 people, featuring a refined design with special light diffusing fabric, ensuring a quiet, comfortable sleeping area. Naturally, this uniqueness comes with a price tag $3,634, a worthy investment for a top-notch camping experience. PAXIS has revolutionized the backpack with a unique twist by adding a swiveling bottom section. This innovative bottom doesn't just swivel for convenience, but can also hold up to 2.3 kilos of gear. The backpack itself? It boasts a 30-liter capacity, complete with versatile compartments, a ventilated back, and a waist strap. You'll be amazed at its convenience and smart design, all for just $200. Congratulations to PAXIS on this fantastic patent. Discover the Nebula Mars 3, the world's first outdoor projector. With the capability to project a screen up to 200 inches and a resolution of 1920 by 1080, the Nebula M3 offers a peak outdoor movie experience with 1000 lumens brightness. Its 185 mAh battery allows you to enjoy up to 5 hours of movies on a single charge. All these wonders for just $1,050. Are you a camping enthusiast and a food lover? Nomad Kitchen is the perfect choice for you. Priced at $200, this luxurious portable kitchen includes a sink, a neat cooking space, and a drawer for a 2-burner stove. When not in use, it can be folded and perfectly fits behind your vehicle's rear seats, maximizing convenience on every trip. Discover the Goal Zero Skylight, an incredible portable light source perfect for both entertainment and work. With an adjustable height from 1.2 to 3.6 meters, this light can illuminate an area up to 92 mid-cursors. A single full charge provides up to 8 hours of warm light, creating a cozy atmosphere. All this for just $300, a worthwhile investment for your living space. Did you know that since 1979, the global mosquito population has soared by 71%, making outdoor activities like hiking and camping more challenging? But don't worry, the 3D Flow Jacket is the perfect solution to this problem. With a stylish, breathable design and a special mesh similar to a beekeeper's gear, this jacket prevents mosquitoes from getting through while still allowing cool air to flow, keeping you comfortable. Own it today for just $229 and enjoy the outdoors without the annoyance. Speaking of mosquitoes, let me introduce you to the EMR3, the world's most powerful mosquito repellent device for your home. Capable of creating a mosquito-free zone up to 9.1 meters wide, you'll see effectiveness in just 15 minutes. Using special mats, each provides 10 to 12 hours of protection. A fully charged 10,400 mAh battery offers 6 hours of outdoor protection and 12 hours indoors. Purchase it today for only $72 and enjoy a safe, mosquito-free living space. For camping enthusiasts, Hyd Away offers a convenient solution for packing with their space-saving foldable bowls and cups. Their 0.9-liter bowl folds down to just 2.5 centimeters thick, providing maximum convenience without taking up much space in your backpack. Priced at only $20, it's a real bargain for your outdoor adventures.